This event has such a cool vibe to it. From the decor to the music, everyone who comes here is feeling like they are part of something special. And I hope that if anyone has the opportunity to join the Level Up Claim Summit, that they really consider joining.
The thing I enjoy the most being here is getting a chance to see other people that are doing important work helping policyholders. I think it's a great place for someone to come and start getting a feel for what it's like to come and meet with other industry professionals.
This year we were informed that it was a lot of marketing and AI-based talks, which is something we're really needing within our company. That was a huge proponent of why we came.
The biggest takeaway this year was how AI is integrated into the system.
If you're on the fence about coming, I definitely would say just give it a shot. You're only gaining and it's way more worth it than you could think.